Good morning, class 5. Today your maths 9.2. Here you have been told to express the following in decimal notation and then look, it is written 15KL, 3HL, 4DL and 9L. Then again 3KL, 5DL, 7L, 7DL. Now here we have to convert this. As we were converting in the earlier chapter, same pattern, you will first convert it, then you will do the addition. So let me show you how to do it. Here, as we have converted 15KL into 5003L, 3 by 10, 4DL, then 9 by, so this is the sum. Now, as I have solved one, I want to show you the rest of the sum. So this is how we are writing 15.349. Then it was 3KL, 5DL, 7. So at the place of 5, I am writing 5, 7, 7, and HL I don't have anything, so I have given 0. Here nothing, so 0, 0, 7DL. Now if we add, the number is coming. Doing the addition, the number is coming, and we will write KL. Addition I don't have to teach you, but the process I am teaching you. Next, okay, 2 is also the same, so I am not showing you 2, but I will show you if, because it is 175 meter, 14 kilometer, 39 meter, 7 kilometer, 130. See here only meter, neither DM, then HM, nothing is written, but the formation is of that only. So how will you write the sum? Now here 15 km 175 meter. I am writing meter for your convenience, but the sum will be 175. That means 1 HM, DM and MM. So next question, let me show you. Here it is written 14 km 13 39 m, but here it is 175. So being 35 m, I am 39, only 39. I have written 39 in DM m, but in first one I am writing in HL HM I am writing 0. Again in 7 7 I am writing in m position and 131. Now if I do the addition, the answer will be 36.345. Again I am telling, here 1 HM, DAM, MM is not written, just 175 M is written. So as 175 is written, I have written 175, then it is written 39 M. 39 M means 9 will be in M position, 3 will be under 7. So this first position is empty, so here I will put 0. Then second one, same way, as it is 7, I will write under 5 and rest 131. If I do the addition, the sum will be this much KM. You try rest of the sums, I will show you in the next class. Next question. Next question, they are telling express the following in decimal form notation and then subtract. Same, we have to do the sum in the same process, then we have to do the subtraction. Here I am showing you the subtraction, not the bracketing process, because once in addition I have shown you, you can understand it. Okay, let's do. Here question is, what is the question? Let's see. The question is 14 kg 3 DAG 4G from 21 4H G 4DAG 3G. That means I have to subtract this number from this one. 21 kg 14 kg 14 kg from 29 kg. So how to write the sum? See, 21 kg 443. Now 14 kg 3 DAG 3 DAG and 4G, but here it is 4 HG. Here I don't have HG, so 3 DG I am writing 3 under 4dg. So hg is empty, there I will put 0. The rest subtraction as you do, you will do it. And it is here. Next question. I wish you have understood it. Only while writing you read the designation properly so that you can write it properly. Otherwise it will be wrong. Here also I will do E because it is little difficult, and F I am showing you. 81009 because by 0. Here it is told 72 KL 5L from 81 KL to 9L. Now before L there is no other designation is given. So in the two H and D plus HL and DL we will write 0 zeros. Here also same. See, we have written 81.009, 72.009. After subtraction we have 9.009 KL. Next is E. F. For 58 M, 4 DM, CM, 6 CM. From 81 M, 5 DM, 8 CM. But from this, we have to take out this one. Then we will get the answer. Now look the sum. Here it is told 81 M, 5 DM, 8 CM. So 58. And next one 58.4 DM, 6 CM. So 4 under 5 and 6 under 8. Now you do the subtraction. Your answer will be 13.12. That will be right answer. Rest from 1 and 2. The sum that I left out, you practice in copy. Next day I will show you the answers. Okay, thank you.